to get to the property and start working and cutting down trees and getting ready for the electric company to put in our power. There's a lot of things at home that we need to tend to and a lot of things that we have to do during the day that takes away a lot of our time trying to get that stuff done. So this video, I'm going to share with you all the stuff that we have to do while we're trying to build our property. These are not inconveniences. It's just life, and it's really fun. I love all these things that we have to do, that we get to do. So in the middle of trying to turn our property into a campground, we are living life. So here are all the things that we have to do. First thing is waking up in the morning, doing my stretches, reading, and making my wonderful boy some breakfast. Is that good breakfast, Sawyer? Pretty crazy trying to build a campground at the same time with doing all these things, but there is no rush, there's no hurry, and it's really nice not being on a time crunch. Just taking our time, enjoying the everyday things that we have to do when we can, getting back to the property. You see these videos that we're creating and it looks like we're there 24/7 working on it, but it's only a few hours a day that I actually get to work on our property. This is what we're doing the rest of the time.
She fell asleep in the car from yesterday when we were coming back from a theme park called Cinema City back to here. We just put her into bed without her pajamas.
Yeah. You ready for a great day, June?
Yeah.
Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe when it clicked on the trot over in the bright light. We brushed and we braided dandelions and chewed. It was a mutual arrangement we both saw into. Can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain?
Sweet, thank
you. Can she
you.
make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence. Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been? Broke my arm in December, we were running for the thrill. You turned in the canyon to the snowbank where I fell. Even still, I remember knowing she could feel it too. Was a mutual arrangement, we both knew what.
I'm gonna dump this in the toilet. You don't want to see that.
Had a star on her forehead that was easy to find. When I let down her bridle, I saw into her hazel eyes. We had a deep understanding, never had to use a bit. Was a mutual arrangement and an honest respect. Can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go.
Well, today's video, and all videos really, are brought to you by Emily because she watches our kids while I'm making these videos and while I'm working on the property. Me and my kids are around me sometimes while making videos, but Anyway, are you ready to have a wonderful day today, Emily?
I'm ready for it.
We're going to Silver Dollar City. We're going to play some music. That's our job. That takes us away from working on the property. But remember, these are things we get to do, not that we have to do.
It's true. And maybe I'll be able to go pick up milk and eggs from my local milk and eggs girl too.
Oh.
You can watch the kids for like 30 minutes.
Oh, look how pretty Emily looks. What, just in 5 seconds, boom. I literally just left and came back. And
All I did was put on pants.
Well,
Amazing.
Hey, well maybe I should put on pants, huh, Juno?
Yeah, maybe.
You ready to go to Silver Dollar City? So of course, in order to make money and make a living, we got to do something, right? And so we play music for a living, for those that do not know, and we are heading towards Silver Dollar City right now, where we play 4 half-an-hour sets. It's probably one of the best gigs we've ever had.
I would say it's probably the best one we've ever had.
So we're heading there right now, and we're taking you with us. All right, let's go get in the car. All right, so Simeon and I are going to take this little tiny car because we're going to probably go to the board game cafe after this and possibly bring Sawyer too. So, you ready, Simeon?
Yeah, always.
One of our favorite places to go before we get to Silver Dollar City is Vintage Paris Coffee Shop. It's like our pit stop every morning before we head over. Hi guys.
What's going on?
I'm ready for some coffee.
Yay!
All right, we are here at Silver Dollar City, ready to load in. You ready, Sawyer? Hey!
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Woohoo! So the Horse Creek Band plays right before us. And after they're done, we set up. We got new costumes for Silver Dollar City.
Yeah, I don't
Look
know.
at that.
I mean, it'd be nice if there was some elastic.
Hello. Blue and white, micro stripe, colors 10. You can take anything you want along. There's a place to keep it all.
And just like that, we're done. I forgot to get people to take videos for us.